Modern industrial automation software controls massive, synchronized factory floors. When you open TIA Portal for the first time, you are stepping into the command center for all of that hardware, and the volume of options can be overwhelming. Our goal today is to master the portal view. We are going to use this view to organize workflows by specific tasks, like designing an HMI screen, programming a PLC, or running diagnostics, before we write a single line of code. To follow along, you need two things: TIA Portal installed on your machine and a pre-existing project saved to your drive. Knowing how to navigate this initial interface prevents you from getting lost in the project files. It creates a clear path from high-level project management down to the specific engineering tasks you need to complete. Step 1 is getting the software open. You can double-click the TIA Portal desktop shortcut or open your Start menu, find the Siemens automation folder, and launch it from there. Once the software loads, look at this welcome screen. Verify that the Start ribbon is selected here in the main navigation menu. Next, click on Open Existing Project. This populates a list of your recently used files, including their paths and the dates they were last modified. Select your project from the list and click Open. You will know it worked when the screen updates. The software will display a notification saying the project was opened successfully, right above a prompt asking you to select a next step. Loading a project populates the workspace. The organizational tools that were blank a moment ago are now filled with your actual hardware configurations and logic data. TIA Portal splits your work into two environments: a mode for finding tasks, called Portal View, and a mode for executing them, called Project View. To see your current mode, look at the lower left-hand corner. This hyperlink toggle switches between the two. Launching directly into the Project View often leads to confusion. Without filtering your tasks first, you end up navigating dense folders of code and hardware settings to find a single screen or block. To ensure your screen matches ours, check that lower left hyperlink. If it says Portal View, click it to return to the starting task menu. The Portal View functions as a high-level task menu. It organizes your system devices by their specific functions, rather than listing them as raw files. Controlling this toggle dictates your workflow. You use it to explicitly declare whether you are planning out your next steps or actively building the logic. The ribbons on the left side of the Portal View act as a filtering system. They sort the entire project file into functional groups, so you only see the tools relevant to the job you want to do. When we select the Visualization ribbon on the left, the center window updates to show only the user interface elements and HMI screens. If we click the PLC Programming ribbon instead, the graphics disappear. The context shifts to isolate your logic, code, and programming blocks. To check the current status of your connected hardware, the Online and Diagnostics ribbon brings up the tools to monitor device health. These ribbons also provide a mechanical shortcut. Clicking a task in the Portal View preloads the specific backend folders you need within the Project View environment. Note that these menus are for selection. You must move to the Project View to perform heavy code editing or interface design. The Portal View is a staging area. You use it to select your tools and materials before you move into the workspace to build. Once you have selected your task in the Portal View, execute the transition. Click the toggle hyperlink in the lower left-hand corner to enter the Project View. This environment is where all the engineering happens. This is the location for programming logic, configuring hardware, and parameterizing your devices. Confirm a successful transition by checking this interface. Notice three main panels: the project tree on the left, work window center, and task cards right. The golden rule for this software is simple. Use the Portal View to find your task, and use the Project View to do the work. Transitioning this way removes interface clutter. You are now positioned to execute your specific task immediately. You have successfully filtered your project and entered the core engineering environment. Like the synchronized machinery on this factory floor, your workspace is pre-configured. You are ready to drag and drop logic instructions or design interfaces. In our next tutorial, we will break down the specific panels inside this project view, showing you how to use the project tree, work window, and task cards to speed up your coding. Mastering this navigation provides a consistent workflow for managing every device and line of code in your automation project.